Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get the Brazil FIFA kit and logo in Dream League Soccer 2026. First, open DLS 2026 and go to My Club. Tap Customize Team, then select Edit Logo. Copy the Brazil logo URL from the description and paste it into the download box and tap Download. Paste the Brazil kit URL and confirm. The latest Brazil yellow and green kit will instantly load onto your players. You can repeat the same process for the away kit and goalkeeper kits. If the kit doesn't load, check your internet connection and make sure the URL is correct. Also, use the latest version of DLS 2026. That's it. Your team now has the official Brazil FIFA kit and logo. Like, subscribe, and enjoy playing Dream League Soccer 2026 with the legendary Brazil national team. Thanks for watching. Link in description.